If Discord is showing error 9845, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can usually get the app working again in just a few minutes. This is a great troubleshooting guide, whether Discord is freezing, failing to load properly, or just refusing to behave the way it should. We'll start with the quickest fix first, then move into a deeper cleanup if needed, and finally we'll cover a clean reinstall if the issue still isn't solved. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, try force quitting Discord and restarting it. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC at the same time to open Task Manager. On a Mac, press Command, Option, and Escape to open Activity Monitor or the Force Quit menu. Once it's open, look through the list for every Discord process running in the background. Sometimes Discord can stay partially open even when it looks closed, and that can trigger strange errors like 9845. Select each Discord process you see, then click End Task on Windows or Force Quit on Mac. After everything is fully closed, relaunch Discord and check whether the problem is gone. If the error is still there, the next step is to refresh the app itself. While Discord is open, press Ctrl and R on Windows or Command and R on Mac. This forces Discord to reload its interface and reconnect its components without fully reinstalling anything. It's a quick reset that can often fix temporary glitches, loading problems, and stuck screens. Give it a moment to refresh, then see if the app starts working normally again. If you're still seeing error 9845, the next step is to clear Discord's cache folders. This is one of the most effective fixes, because cache files can become corrupted over time and cause all kinds of unexpected issues. First, close Discord completely so nothing is running in the background. On Windows, press Windows and R to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type %appdata %\discord and press Enter. This will open Discord's app data folder. Inside that folder, look for the cache folder, the code cache folder, and the local storage folder. Delete those folders so Discord can rebuild fresh versions the next time it launches. Don't worry, this does not delete your account or your messages on the server, but it does clear local temporary data that may be causing the error. After deleting those folders, reopen Discord and test it again. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix the issue. If error 9845 is still happening after all of that, the final step is to do a clean reinstall of Discord. This is the best option when app files have become damaged or outdated and nothing else has worked. Start by uninstalling Discord from your computer completely. Then, after uninstalling, go back and make sure any leftover Discord folders are removed from your system so the reinstall starts fresh. Once that's done, download the latest version of Discord from the official website and install it again. A clean reinstall replaces corrupted files and gives you the newest stable version of the app, which often resolves persistent errors like this one. So to quickly recap, if you want to fix Discord error 9845, first force quit and restart Discord, then refresh it with Ctrl or Command plus R, then clear the cache folders, and if needed, perform a clean reinstall. One of these steps usually solves the issue. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Discord troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.